Ever since its establishment, CI Kase has been growing as an integrated processor and manufacturer of plastics, engaged in activities ranging from social infrastructure improvement to creation of products for enriching lifestyles. Civil engineering and industrial supplies constitute the mainstay business of CI Kase. First, let's take a look at Hydrotite, the hydrophilic sealing material that has earned an excellent reputation in the civil engineering and construction sectors. Hydrotite is a revolutionary kind of hydrophilic sealing material that utilizes hydrophilic resin. It has greatly contributed to solving sealing problems in shield tunnels, sewage systems, and underground structures. Products are available according to various uses. Hydrotite CJ is a sealing material for construction joints molded by composite extrusion to special shapes uniquely developed by CI Kase. It absorbs leaking water and self-expands, thus sustaining the water sealing effect even when gaps develop due to joint shifts. In addition, Hydrotite CJTA, which has undergone expansion delay coating, starts expanding and displaying water sealing performance only after it comes into contact with alkaline water in concrete. LeakMaster is a revolutionary and high-performance one-component type water swelling sealant. It displays excellent workability in corner sections and joint sections in civil engineering, building, and plumbing facilities, all of which were previously difficult to work on using fixed-shape products. Concerning performance following hardening, LeakMaster displays advanced water sealing ability thanks to its physical characteristics with excellent rubber elasticity and self-absorbing expansion. AquaTaxSeal is a water sealing material exclusively developed for horizontal joints such as precast concrete manholes. AquaTaxSeal adds water absorption and expansion performance to conventional self-adhesive butyl rubber sealing material. This means it offers an effective solution to leakage caused by opening of joints following installation of precast concrete products. Hydrotite hydrophilic sealing material for tunnel shield segments is a revolutionary water sealant exclusively intended for use in tunnel shield work. Shieldworks have made dramatic advances in recent years, prompting the search for the perfect sealing material for a water seal for segment joints. Customers can count on Hydrotite to provide effective water sealing performance even under harsh conditions such as high water pressure and joint shifts. We provide an abundant range of product variations such as single structure and composite structure series. In this way, CI Kase constantly leads the sector as a pioneer of shieldwork sealing materials. The Hydrotite O-Ring series is a range of ring-shaped products processed using our unique technology. Rings are used for water sealing in a variety of products, including pipe joints, general packing, through holes, sealing for segment joint bolts, and various other products. Let's take a look at the water sealing mechanism, taking the example of Hydrotite CJ. Conventional sealing materials utilize the packing effect imparted by reaction force and the integration effect enabled by adhesion. However, the conventional packing effect itself was insufficient to compensate in cases where joints opened up due to joint shifts caused by factors such as uneven settlement. However, Hydrotite offers a totally new water sealing mechanism through combining the same packing effect of conventional vulcanized rubber sealing materials with volume expansion made possible by water absorption. We measured the water sealing characteristics using an actual concrete test piece. Water is poured in after attaching the test piece to the concrete. The The graph indicates the number of days required to seal water while raising water pressure in gradations of 0.1 megapascals following pouring. The water expansion performance of Hydrotite is designed according to various uses and displays effective water sealing performance. This is Hydrotite CJ's water expansion phase. The graph shows changes over time in the thickness expansion increase rate following immersion in distilled water and salt water. Hydrotite carries out these functions in a variety of environments. The characteristics of test materials were compared upon 7 days immersion in distilled water and various other solutions. Hydrotite maintained its expansion performance in all solutions. Moreover, there is a full lineup of Hydrotite products that display various kinds of expansion performance according to each specific use. Hydrotite products undergo various durability tests at the Tochigi plant, and the results of these are reflected in our products. Durability is evaluated by the results from short-term and long-term tests. This is the viscosity test for measuring the viscosity of rubber, the raw material used in Hydrotite. This is the cure test, which measures the shearing strength of rubber. These tests determine whether or not Hydrotite products are manufactured from appropriate raw materials. In the water sealing test, water sealing is observed under water pressure equivalent to that applied by groundwater at 60 meters underground. As you can see, good sealing performance is maintained. In the tensile test, Hydrotite is tested to make sure that it possesses the physical performance required of vulcanized rubber products. This is an accelerated deterioration test done in warm water. It is useful for confirming the durability of Hydrotite water expansion performance in the short term. Test pieces that have completed the short-term water sealing tests move on to the long-term tests so that we can further examine their water pressure performance. In such test flanges, long-term contact surface pressure has been being observed. It can be seen that water is sealed off by maintaining stable contact surface pressure. Here, appearance after long-term immersion is observed. You can see that CI Kase products have good surface condition. In the weather resistance test using a sunshine weather meter, environmental changes are simulated and the strength of materials is measured under short-term accelerated deterioration. From the results of the gear oven heat aging test, it is expected from the Arrhenius equation and Backer's theory that the products have excellent durability over the long term. Based on the results of various laboratory experiments and long-term site observations, we can confidently say that Hydrotite products offer a revolutionary sealing material which can fully respond to the needs of civil engineering and construction works. Hydrotite has been supplied not only in Japan, but also throughout the world. In Japan, it is used in structures such as the Trans-Tokyo Bay Highway, the Metropolitan Flood Protection Tunnel, and Tokyo Metro subway tunnels. Overseas, Hydrotite is applied in the Eurotunnel that links the United Kingdom to France, the Hong Kong subway, Singapore subway, and the Cairo sewage system. CI Kasei's water sealing technology plays an important role in infrastructure construction, not only in Japan, but around the world. From social infrastructure development to creation of products for enriching lifestyles, CI Kasei production bases can be found at 5 locations throughout Japan: Shiga, Tochigi, Okayama, Sano, and Hiratsuka. CI Kasei also has overseas production bases in the United States and Shanghai, and seeks to achieve a global production setup and thorough quality control. Research and development is carried out at the Shiga factory. In the laboratory, research is conducted into the application of organic and inorganic compound materials and nanomaterials, while at the film center, research utilizing our excellent film technology is carried out. The CI Kasei research setup is thus capable of rapidly responding to customer needs. True to its corporate ideal of people, earth, and future-friendly manufacturing, CI Kasei aims to be an integrated plastic processor and manufacturer that provides everything from social infrastructure improvement to creation of products for enriching lifestyles, thereby supporting people's lives and cultures.